Microsoft Word is a word processing software that is widely used for creating, editing, and formatting documents. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite and is available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. With Microsoft Word, users can create a variety of documents such as letters, resumes, reports, and more. It has a wide range of features that include text formatting. Users can change the font, size, color, and style of text. Paragraph formatting. Users can adjust the spacing, alignment, and indents of paragraphs. Templates. Word includes a variety of pre-designed templates for different types of documents, such as resumes and business letters. Spell check and grammar check. Word can automatically check for spelling and grammar errors. Tables and charts. Users can insert tables and charts into documents for easy data organization and representation. Insert images and media. Users can insert and edit images, videos, and audio files in the document. Collaboration. Word has built-in co-authoring feature that allows multiple users to work on a document at the same time and track changes. In summary, Microsoft Word is a powerful and versatile word processing software that allows users to create, edit, format, and share documents easily. It has many features that make it a great tool for creating professional-looking documents.